Mohammed Hussein was an interpreter for the US forces in Afghanistan between 2010 and 2012. He said that the outcome of his joining the war has been nothing more than sorrow and depression. He now suffers from war-related mental illnesses.
Every moment when we go in the tank, every moment when we go in the missions, like we feel scared. So we are gonna die.
Hussein received a 6-month medical treatment from the US troops, but fell ill again when he remembered his past and what he saw during the missions with the US troops.
I told for them, I cannot work anymore with us. He said, no, you don't have any problems. You just got a depressions. I remember all my past. I cannot forget.
Mohammed Shafi Azim had worked as a doctor during the Foreign Forces presence in Afghanistan. As the chief of the psychiatric department of the Sihat-e-Rouhani hospital, he said the prolonged war had brought Afghans a variety of problems, including mental diseases.
اساساً جنگ و ناملایمات‌های امنیتی، چی صدای فایر باشد، چی پرتاب یک راکت باشد، چی زد خوردهای در یک محل منطقه باشه، چی به سطح کوچک باشه و یا سطح بزرگ باشه، در مجموع یک فاکتور مساعد کننده، یک عامل بسیار زیاد مؤثر بالای مغز یک کودک یا نوجوان و جوان و یک فرد که در جامعه زندگی میکنه هست.
Doctors at the hospital also said that despite the end of the war, many still suffer from the pains left by it.
اگر جنگ آرام میشه، مسائل دیگه باز بیادر از جنگ نوشی میشه. مثلا نمیال وضع اقتصادی مردم افغانستان خراب است، کار نیست، بار نیست، جوانا بیادر بیکار هستند. این کلش نوشی از این مسائل جنگ بوده که بیادر مردم بیکار مونده که مشکل ایجاد شده.